Ooh, I look like a peeled banana. Wow. Okay, so hello. I look crazy, but oh shit. We are here to try Lion Mane Beauty's brow products, and I learned about these products because I was following Priscilla Ono on Instagram. She loves doing her tutorials on her story, and occasionally when I have time or if I remember, I'll be like, ooh, let's check out her tutorials. And I saw her secret to her fucking brows, bruh. And I'm like, my brows have been on a journey, a very interesting one, and it is time that it comes to like an end, but not like a complete, like a halt, but more of a like, this is how we're elevated, this is what we're gonna be, and we're just gonna keep it at that and stop experimenting with all this other bullshit. Because I started off with powders when I was younger. I looked crazy. I plucked my eyebrows so much and they were so thin, and my, like, if you can tell, the shape is really thick, but the hairs are thin as fuck. So, dilemmas. I never knew exactly which color I was because it was like, the color's dark in my, like, I think, but when I fill it in with anything, it looks super thick and it's a mess. So I decided I'm gonna stop fucking with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna grow them out. I want them to be thicker. Once Cara Delevingne came onto the scene, I was like, yes, thick brows, thank you. Like, this is what I needed. I have confidence now. So here we are. I discovered pencils were the better option because like powders and pomades were not my friend. I discovered what a brow gel was, which was just like another elevated thing, and I've been doing that for forever at this point. But now that I've discovered this, I'm a whole new world. Hold on, I have to a whole new world. Yeah, so that's me right now. So in one of my videos, I think it was the last one that I had uploaded, I don't know. So I introduced this little doodaddy situation, the Great Brow Basics from Benefit, because they have been like my saving grace. Benefit as well as Soap and Glory, both just coming through with the brow products. Riri, when you get there, I know you will. I know you're working on it. It's somewhere, I'm sure, but I'm sorry, Anastasia, I don't mind you, you're good and everything, but I feel like every time I use the Anastasia pencils, they're so thin that it just, I'm always breaking off, and I'm not spending all that money if this is just gonna break off every time I use it. It's not worth it. I don't know what you think my bank account looks like, because it's not that deep. Anyway, so within this tin, I decided to make this tin my eyebrow product tin. So I have my gels, my pencils, and within that now houses Lion Mane Beauty. This is their soap. I got the gold one. I'm not sure exactly what. I think this one has argan oil or something. Anyway, so I got this guy. And it comes with 2 spoolies, I think. Oh, this is the dirty one. I tried this yesterday for the first time just to kind of get an idea. It comes with the soap. I believe it has argan oil. It comes with 2 spoolies. I showed you the dirty one. This one is not the dirty one. This one, yes. And it also comes with a setting spray. Yes, a motherfucking setting spray. I think this is perfect. On the website, it has just instructions. It's a UK company, by the way, so if you don't live in the UK, the shipping wasn't that expensive. I mean, it was worth it altogether. I don't remember exactly how much we spent. I think it's like 15 pounds. It's £13.99, which is gonna be around like $15, $16. It's not that bad really, actually, at all. And then you pay for shipping. And the amount, does it have the ounces? 25 grams, it says it right at the top, but I'm stupid. So 25 grams in this guy. There's 1.18 fluid ounces in the setting spray. Like, come on. Honestly, I'm taking this traveling with me, holy shit. On the website, the instructions say to wet the the instructions say to wet the spoolie brush with the Lion Mane Brows setting spray and rub it in against the Lion Mane brows until covered in light froth. Step 2. Brush your brows up with a spoolie brush, then allow to dry for 1 minute. Softly fill in any sparse areas with your favorite brow pencil, powder, or pomade. Try not to drag the brush or be too heavy-handed. You want to create a natural looking lift and separation. Please note that brow products can be applied before or after the Lion Mane brows. So that's good to know. Step 4. You can repeat the process to reposition the hairs until you're happy with the brushed up brows look. You can then use any excess froth to tame and fix the rest of your brow hairs for that soft, fluffy editorial effect. 6. It won't be perfect the first time. It can sometimes take a few attempts to get the hang of it. So yeah, we're gonna try try this out. I mean, I already tried it, but we're gonna do it again. I can already tell you right now, I'm in love. Like, this is everything I could hope for more. So we are going to do this thing. I also will tell you I did it wrong the first time. So this is gonna be the first time I do it right. So it's kind of like the first time. Wet. Oh, and there's there's vitamin E oil and argan oil that's supposed to help with the growth of your hairs. So I'm gonna go in here. Come on, what's the rainfall? Is that it? Is that the frog? Oh, I guess that is it, huh? I feel like I need more setting spray though. Does anyone else get scared? Like, this is just a random thing, but does anybody else get nervous when they're on an airplane and they're like, you can't spray certain sprays or whatever the fuck, but I just want to spray my setting spray? Does anyone does that just me? I just feel weird about it. Okay, this is getting just like it's becoming a little glob on top, which I'm not down for. So I'm just gonna do what I did last time and just spray the soap. Just spray it, like fuck it, right? I feel like that's my motto. I should put that on a shirt. Fuck it, right? Oh, you have to be really gentle. That's what my problem was. Like, you have to like. Brush. What is this? Step 3. Oh, look at them hairs. Oh, I'm gonna zoom in for y'all, cause damn, my brows. What? Okay, not gonna do that again. But what? Come on, guys. And lately, I've gotten back into my Jamaican black castor oil phase of things. Come on, thickum brows. Come through. See, when people comment on other people's brows as being too thick, I'm like, who shot your cornflakes? Okay. Eugene Levy is my hero. Please. I wish my brows were like that. I would, oh my goodness. I would pay good money. And if microblading didn't fade, I'd be there. I would have, let me get my discombobulated thoughts together. When microblading first became a popular trend and everyone was trying out and gabbing about it. Here, I have to let it sit for a minute. Let me just stop fucking with it. I'm gonna stop fucking with it in now. Okay. To let it dry for a minute. We'll just chat with you this close. Ooh, no, we aren't gonna chat with you this close. We aren't. I'll do something with my eyelids. And I'm just gonna go really simple and put my Fenty bronzer on my lids because I'm going to work and it's just gonna be like a glossy thing and not a gloss, maybe glossy, I don't know, maybe a little shimmery. Maybe I'll put some, excuse me, highlight on it or something. But anyway, microblading. So microblading, when that became a thing, I was willing to jump on it. That still fades off your face. You still have to get that redone. There's really no permanent solution. So I'm just going in with some Jamaican black castor oil before I go to bed and putting that on my lash line. I just, you need something to commit to. I really hope that was what I was talking about. I paused this, like I stopped filming so I can go back and remember what it was that I was talking about, but it was taking too long to sift through the footage. I was just like, I don't have the patience or the mental capacity. But yeah, I did so well though, guys. It's like, I found, oh, shut the fuck up. I found a lot, not a lot, but I kept the pace going. I know I talk a lot in a lot of my videos. They're all decently long, so I'm kind of apologetic about that, but not really. Anyway, so it's been a minute now. Let's zoom in on these warlocks. Okay, so I wish I had more of the Precisely My brow pencil, but she's nubbed, like nubby. Yeah, she she's nubbed. So we're just gonna use the goof proof. It is. The problem with goof proof that I have is that, see, the top is a little curved, so it says goof proof, but I goof with it all the time. I goof with it all the time. Who needs brow gel? What the fuck is brow gel? What? You see, I'm my goodness, my eyebrow hairs never would do that. Like, they just stayed in place. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing that we have discovered. Thank you, Barcelona, for enlightening me and the children, because holy hell. This changed the game for me, facts. Like, especially because I love this sparse, thick brow situation. Ooh, you did not want to focus there. It's the coconut milk. Now with the extra froth. So I have some soap still on this spoolie, which I'm not down, so I'm just gonna spray it and go over. Lightly brush over. Just ever so slightly brush over. That sounds like a nice reggae song, right? Brush over, oh my darling, brush over. See, I need to. Can someone needs to make that into a jam, and I can just be in the back doing some ad libs. So they're like, brush over. Oh, Someone was dying in that scene, in that take. I apologize. I really like this. I really like this. And I know the shape of my natural brow is, it's basically fucked, but she cute. Oh, do we like my hair, guys? I know I never actually wear my curliness out and about, but I recently was attempting to touch up my roots, and as you can tell, it wasn't done professionally because they're bronze. So I mainly used Bleach London products on my hair. So it was the lavender gray, and then there was something else that I added that was a different Bleach London product that I didn't remember what exactly it was, but I knew that I previously had purchased a gray one or just a silver toned toner, and I had it left over, but I didn't have the box, which was a problem, so I just kind of mixed it together and prayed. And here we are. There's that. I'm gonna finish my eyeballs with some more Fenty. By the way, my whole makeup is Fenty besides these brows. Like I said, Fenty, once you get on the brow situation, girl, I'm committed, I'm loyal. You can take all of my monies. I mean, all my money's already yours. So, might as well just, girl, just like the IRS, just take it. Fluffy little blender brush. Right, it's my way, it's my Ray, which, mind you, her BH Cosmetics palette, her new one, is so fire. I have gotten so many compliments by using her palette, and I have never felt so creative with the colors, only because for some reason they're just paired so well together, and it's not intimidating. Like, it doesn't make you think that you have to do something super colorful every day. It's very much like, if you want to use color, you can, but you don't have to use a ton. You can just use little accents, and then if you know, want to do a little natural situation, natural ditty, then it's there as an option. So now I'm thinking I'm gonna just stop showing my foundation and stuff, because like I said, you already know what the fuck I'm using. It's Fenty everything all the time for the most part. If I do anything differently, I'll let y'all know, but it's almost always the same thing. And apologies to everybody, because my go-to palettes always end up being the same palettes over and over again. So, oh, I forgot to get setting spray. Anyway, I'm gonna use this NYX. Oh, and Ree, when you get them lip pencils, hit a girl up. I'm down. I know the whole point is you don't need them, but I just like them in gloss. That's the thing. This one is an NYX in Nude Truffle. Okay. Okay, Nude Truffle, I'll see you. Okay, I'm not super precise with my lip liner situation. I am rather messy, if you ask me. It's not perfect, but oh my goodness, I saw that whole video for the first time, and in context, Jesus, take the wheel. And honestly, it's everywhere. Jasmine Masters, that's exactly what you are, a master. And here we are using our nice diamond milk gloss bomb. I believe this would be my final look. This was really quick. Oh, I need mascara. How do I always forget that? Oh, and Ree, when the mascara comes out, hit me. I am committed. I am loyal. Yeah, and plus it makes my life so much easier. I can just go to one place, grab everything, and go. Like, I ain't gotta go to, when all the products are just hitters, or when they just all work so well together, And the price point isn't just obnoxious, it just really changes everything. So I got this NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara from obviously NYX, but they had an event not too long ago and it was a little gift. They gave little and they gave these little guys as gifts. Like part of me trying to hurry up too because I have work later and my room is a fucking nightmare and it's been a nightmare. Holy hell. If you have to clean your room, do it. I'm telling you right now, do it. Clean your room for me and show me what your room looked like before and after you cleaned it, and then help inspire me so I can clean my room because your girl needs to get her shit together, like facts. It's crazy how once you start working and or when you even when you are like once you start working, you don't really stop. But if you start working or you've been working, you know, and it's especially once you have had a period of time where you weren't working like you used to be working and now you're working, like I got no time for anything and you're making all of the time. It's fucked up what depression can do to you. Jesus. I look like a banana outside of its pajamas. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial review, first try situation. I love how natural my brows look. I love how they look like there's no fucking product in them at all. Oh, and then now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep doing this and it's gonna help grow my brows, and I'm gonna add more castor oil to my little regime. My little nightly routine, okay? Oh, and if you guys want more natural hair stuff, let me know, and then I'll make more attempts at doing it. I just don't. Yeah, right now it's in this awkward mini fro situation. Excuse me. And when it's obviously dry, it just shrinks, as black women know, it just shrinks. And then it becomes an even more awkward mini fro. Like right now it's half awkward, but it's just gonna get more awkward as the day, you know, continues. So I just plop a wig on top. Ooh, let's see what I look like with the wig. I'll be right back. She's back with her wig on. Yes, the same straight wig that she's been wearing. If you're tired of it, too bad, I'm not. Woo! I realized while I was in the bathroom, oh, one, I forgot to put setting spray on my face, which isn't really setting spray, it's just a bottle of water, but you do with what you can. I forgot. Ooh, okay. All right. My fake setting spray. Oh, who is she? Have a great day. I'll catch you in my next video. Oh yeah, subscribe.